the complete migration from the Salesforce to the GoHighLevel by the migration expert. He's my colleague, Mr. Peter. And let me tell you, you are going to get complete migration done by the same guy, Peter. Basically, he's going to do your migration from the Salesforce completely to the GoHighLevel. Now, there is no catch to it. This is in return for you signing up to the GoHighLevel using our referral link gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. Now, if you do not know about me, like quickly just to introduce, on my YouTube channel, there are already videos, like I did personal 1 hour video interview with the CEO and the co-founder of GoHighLevel, Sean Clark, one of the main face. The second co-founder, long interview I did, like we talked about the strategy and everything related with the GoHighLevel, Varun Varavan, and the spokesperson of GoHighLevel, Chase Buckner. I've done another, this is a third interview, and many more interviews also there. As you can see, from early 2020, one of the posts in the group in the GoHighLevel by me. So I've even won one of the like high level affiliate silver award with them. So I live and breathe, like I'm very much into GoHighLevel. That, like, this is the purpose to show you regarding this. So the only thing that we are asking is that you sign up to the GoHighLevel using our referral link gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, and just email me afterwards, abdullah@abdullahzahid.com, or WhatsApp me at this number +971-588-601-057, and I'm going to create the personal WhatsApp group between you, me, and Peter. And Peter is going to actually initiate your migration, do complete end-to-end migration. Yes, this is very costly for us, but we want to provide this service. Like, we want to make this as a no-brainer offer for you. But not just that, you're even going to get 127 snapshot private mastermind group, and as you can see, personal WhatsApp support is the same for the entire migration that we are going to do. So I hope that you find the video helpful. Like, in case you want, you can utilize this migration video to do migration yourself. But if you just sign up, like, it costs same whether you sign up directly or through us. But if you sign up using our referral link gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, not just you get extended 30-day free trial, not just you get 127 snapshot WhatsApp mastermind group, personal support, but you get complete migration free by the same expert. So watch this video from the Peter for the migration from the Salesforce to the GoHighLevel. Thank you.
Hello guys, so this is a video to show you how to migrate your business data from the Salesforce CRM into the GoHighLevel CRM. So let's get into the video. So the first thing, you need to make sure you have both accounts available. So here is the Salesforce CRM that we're using for the video, and here is the GoHighLevel CRM for the video. So so the things we are migrating includes the contacts, your accounts, your opportunities pipeline, your products, your calendar, and that's about the basic things that you need for the business migration. So so Salesforce CRM is a little bit tricky here because we don't have unlike other CRM, GoHighLevel, Honeybook, and other CRM, we can't directly export the contacts from the Salesforce CRM. So unlike other CRM, we can't export that. So what I usually do is, we'll switch this to the split view. Okay, so and here's what I do. Okay, let's click this. So hold on, I'm trying to copy this. Okay, so I copy this. I copy the whole contact. So if you have more than this, you can copy your whole contact. Then I take it to the chat GPT. Okay, so I make sure I have my prompt. I don't. So all I do is I just tell it, okay, um, make this contact a CSV file that I can import into my Go High Level account. Okay, so then you paste. the contacts you copied, and there you close this. So you just send it, and you go, and ChatGPT does this for you. So it's analyzing the contacts. So yeah, so we just have to download this, and yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so yes, we have that. Yeah, so we have that available. Okay, so after downloading that, so you just go into your high level. You are in the sub account you want to use for the business, and here you go to contacts. Here you click on import contacts. So we have some contacts in the on the account already, so you just import the new ones you want to have, or you update the ones you already have. Let's say they have like a change data, like a phone number, an email address. You can just update that. And if you want to import some new contacts, all you have to do is come here, click on import. Okay, let's wait for this to load. Okay, so here we have the contact. So you click on the contacts, then you click on next. Then here you upload the CSV file that you downloaded from the GPT. Yeah. So okay. Yeah. Yeah. So we have this. Then you click on next. So create update contact. So all you have to do is just map this into this. So full name, yeah, name, company, business name, yeah, phone, email, blah blah blah. So yeah, just click on next, and yeah. So yeah, so if you want to create a smart list, you can do this. So what's a smart list? A smart list is a separate list for this new contact, since there are other contacts there. So if you create a smart list, you get the new contacts in a different list, and you still get them in the whole contact, but you get them in also in a separate list. So yeah, if you want a smart list, you click on that. But if you don't want that, just click here and start the import. So because I already have this contacts here, I'm not going to do that, but that's the way to go about it. So like I said, Salesforce is not like other CRM. So so you're not able to export things from Salesforce directly. So you just have to build them manually. So to import your business data into the GoHighLevel CRM, you need to make sure you know how to navigate your way around the GoHighLevel CRM, because most of the things are done manually. So yeah, let's say you have some pipelines and opportunity that you wanna export. So all you have to do is okay, check out your pipelines in the Salesforce CRM, go into the high level CRM, go into opportunities. You already know what your pipeline and your opportunities look like in the Salesforce CRM. So just go into opportunities and create that manually and add your contacts, and also here just go into here, add new opportunities, and just it's so self-explanatory. So yeah, just fill all this out. So next, we for the calendar here, you have your calendar in the Salesforce. Just come into calendar. So easy to create a new calendar. Just come into calendar settings. Okay, so calendar. Let's wait for this to load. So yeah, so this is where you get the booked. So this is the calendar view. So you see every booked session for each calendar. So we have three calendars here. So you just click on this and you see every booked session for each calendars. Yeah. So but if you want a new calendar, you just go into calendar settings. Yeah, so just come here, click on new calendar, and just to say so easy. We have the personal calendar, round robin calendar, and they have, so you see the description, so you know what type of calendar you want to build for your business, and yeah, you get right. So also, if you have some custom fields or some custom values that you want to input into your Go High Level system, all you do is go into the settings, then click on the custom field. We have the custom, okay, we have the custom field and we have the custom value. So whichever one you want to do. So okay, yeah, you have your business logo in the settings. You have your business logo. You can fill others out. And yes, so we have the custom field. So yeah, you just click on add field and just add this. So self-explanatory. And if you want the custom value, just come here, click on the custom value, and yeah, we have this. So just click on new custom value, and yeah, just click and just enter into your details. So that's mainly everything. So let's see. So what else? Okay, so products. So if you've got some products that you want to import into your high level, we can basically export that. So all you do is go into the payments. Yeah, I think it should be in the payments. Yeah, so we have your products over here. So you have your products. So here we have the product. So if you want to create a new product, just click on the create product and just fill out. So this is also self-explanatory. All you have to do is just know how to navigate your way through the. So you just this the title, the pricing, and all. So yeah, basically those are the basic things. And if you need, so we have the integration. If you need to integrate your Stripe, your payment method, let's come into the integration and add. So if you want to add your Stripe, you add. If you want to add PayPal, any payment method you want to use to collect payments, so you can add that on high level. So that's it for the migrating video from the Salesforce CRM into the GoHighLevel CRM. Thank you.